Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today we are going to talk about Checkout 51 rebate app. Yes, Checkout 51. We've seen better days on Checkout 51. It definitely has changed. It's not like it used to be. They have made a lot of changes. The main thing is, I'd say a good 70% of the rebates say do not combine with coupons. Like, look, cannot use this offer with any other print or in-app coupon or rebate. So that kind of is useless. Some of them, like this one, still allow us to use it on with coupons. So those are always good, but it definitely isn't, I don't know, I wouldn't depend on it. You will see people do matchups saying that you can use coupons with it. Just be sure to always double check it, because there are many times that people like to tell you you can and you really can't. So just make sure to read that. Because you don't want to end up doing something wrong just because you blindly trust someone else. So let's talk about Checkout 51. So there are always tons of offers that come out. The rule of thumb with Checkout 51 is every Thursday at midnight, new rebates will be made available. And there's always a ton of rebates that come on out. They are supposed to run through next Wednesday. Sometimes they go away earlier, so keep that in mind. So, just always be sure to read them, the specifications. Because if it says you can use it with a coupon, you absolutely can use it with a coupon. So like this, the Ocean's Halo. I know that I have a coupon for buy one, get one free on these, and I'm going to do this rebate for $5 back, so it'll be a moneymaker in the end. So it's really, really important you can still get really good deals at Checkout 51. You just have to kind of double check and fact check that it is allowed and permitted by the apps. So yeah. Checkout 51. So basically what you do, this doesn't really, you don't have to click anything before you do the rebates. You can just look through and see, if you bought something, can I do this rebate? Blah, blah, blah. But a cool thing they do is you can actually click this little plus sign and it adds it to your list. These are offers you want to do. So when you go to redeem, it will bring up the offers that you want to do, if that makes sense. So yeah, really, really cool. I love that about Checkout 51. They do have filters. You can look by store. You can look by categories. I just kind of scroll through the whole list. But a cool thing that Checkout 51 does is they also run bonuses. So like this, 50 cents if you do 5 claims. If you buy 5 of these bags of chips, you get an extra 50 cents. They also do like buy at Walmart bonus. Give 50 cents if you buy offers with certain icons. It just really, so they always have good bonuses. Feel free to read them, like $1 if you buy all these s'mores products. So they love to do bonuses. With Checkout 51, you have to reach a minimum of $20 to cash out. Checkout 51 is really simple. You either can get it out in PayPal or you can get it as a check in the mail. And they're the only ones that I'm aware of that send checks in the mail. So if you're about that life, about getting checks, I would definitely say go with Checkout 51 because you can do that with Checkout 51. But yeah, there's a lot of rebates on here that I would recommend doing. Look through it every week. I'm not going to show you the redeem because it'll show my name, or it'll show my mom's name because it's all in her name, because when we started this, I was still a minor, so I couldn't use my info. But anyways, don't want to show you all that, but it's very simple. And you want to cash out, just click on the profile button, and there'll be a little button that says cash out once you've reached the $20. You just click on that, go through the information, and you'll get your check or your PayPal. And it's really simple. I like Checkout 51 because a lot of these turn into big money makers. They have had this one for like 4 weeks now on the Bic Soleil. They're $3.27. We have a $3 off coupon. So you pay 27 cents and you get back $3. So huge money maker. This one had a limit of 4. What I like is it tracks your claims. So if it had a limit of 4 and I did 2 of them one trip, I still have 2 more left. None of the other rebate apps track your claims like that. So I really like that Checkout 51 does that. Really cool. So Checkout 51 has good perks. I would highly recommend grabbing the app. It's a good one. It is a good one. It might take you a little bit longer to earn your rebates, but in the end, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, that's all I have for this Checkout 51 tutorial. Let me know what you all thought, and thank you so much for watching.